Hi guys, in this new video, I'm going to share to all of you on how you can download Windows 11 for free on your Windows 10 device. But before we start, hi, my name is JC and I'm a content creator from the Philippines. If this video will be able to help you and address some of your concerns about this, please consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe and bell icon so you won't miss anything of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's start. So as what you can see on my screen right now, according to Microsoft, there are three options wherein you can install or download Windows 11 media and install it on your device. But the very first thing that you need to make sure is if your device, PC or laptop are capable of running Windows 11. So for you to be able to check if your device is capable of running Windows 11, you can download this PC Health Check app, which is available on their website. The links of this site will be posted in the description below. Once you check or download the PC Health Check app, it will show you like this. Since you can check if your device is capable of running Windows 11. Let me just select this one. If you would try to assess if your device is capable of running Windows 11, it may show you like this if your PC can run Windows 11 or if your device cannot run Windows 11. So once your device is confirmed to have Windows 11 on your device for another method, you can wait until Microsoft send you the official OTA for the app or over-the-air update. Since as what you can see right now on my lower portion of the screen, once you see this icon with the blue icon here, which shows upgrade to Windows 11 is ready for your PC, it means that I can now install and download Windows 11. But if your device can handle Windows 11 but this update doesn't show on your Windows update, you need to make sure first that your drivers or your updates is up to date. It might show after that. Or if it doesn't show yet, you can wait until Microsoft sends you the official OTA. But if you're eager already to download that, Microsoft gives you three options to download or install the Windows 11. But I will not cover it in this video, and I will just focus on installing the Windows 11 already. On my settings screen, let's just tap download and install and tap accept and install. So this update may take a while to download, but let's just wait until this process progresses, and let's just wait until we go to the actual home screen of the Windows 11. So after spending overnight, here it is in its full glory. Here's the Windows 11 running on my PC. So the very first thing that I observe is how the taskbar is now moved at the middle section from the left section at Windows 10. And also if you will try to hover around at this area, as you can see, it is much more flat and much more decluttered compared to Windows 10. And the weather part here is now removed, and if you will try to discover here, just press start. The apps that you mostly use are here, and you can now use TikTok and Facebook for just browsing and uploading your stuffs. Next is settings, is much more the same from Windows 10. And what I observe also is how the animations in this new update is much more consistent and fluid compared to Windows 10. If you will try to open Word and try to expand it, it is much more of like a design that is, or user experience that is much more smoother compared to Windows 10. And also if we will try go to settings, as you can see, the settings here is much more straight to the point compared to Windows 10, wherein you have to dive and go to different section for you to be able to access the portion that you want to change or alter. As you can see, we have system, Bluetooth, and other sections here. If you select the system, it will just go around to the display and other parts that connects to it with the system. And so also with the connected topics, as you can see, Windows Update, personalization, and we have new wallpapers here. We have 6 new wallpapers here. As you can see, this one, you can choose based on your prefer, but for this one I just want to prefer with the dark version. Okay, that sums up my initial impressions of Windows 11. For my full review, just wait until next week, as I'm spending my next few days discovering and playing around this new operating system. Also, we will discover if this software is much more of like a minor improvement of Windows 10, or you should just only stay to Windows 10 and it's not worth of an upgrade. Also, if you have any video suggestions, you can comment it down below, or any questions that you want to be uncovered or tackled about this new operating system. But for now, this is me again, JC. Thank you, stay safe, and see you in my next video.